Hello, my name is Renee, and welcome to my Blooming Garden Journal. So this is a few meals that I made in March. I made two vanilla cakes, as you can see here. With this second one, I used the fig and pear jam that I canned earlier, and it was really good, very thick consistency. And I just dusted that with some um, powdered sugar, and this was a vegan cake. Um, and the other one I think maybe was semi-vegan. So another meal I made was sandwiches. So these were plantains covered in agave sauce with lettuce and carrots and um, zucchini, steamed zucchini. For dinner, I had this asparagus with rice and peas, and this was turkey meatballs. Um, Another dinner, I had the Swiss chard from my garden and curry chicken and rice. Um, and for breakfast, I had fruit bowls. Thanks for watching.